Hey everyone, as you can see from the title, this IGTV today will be showing you how I create this gorgeous, straight, flawless look on my hair using the Former Well X Kendall Jenner hairdryer from Cosmetica line. So at the beginning of this week I was gifted this gorgeous big box, and inside the box was the Former Well X Kendall Jenner hairdryer, and it makes for a perfect gift. As you can see when I open it up, it's so luxurious, it's actually so beautiful. And the hairdryer is not in it at the minute, but as you can see, it opens up and it has rose gold detail. It's absolutely beautiful. It's available online and at numerous pharmacies, and it's only $89.99 for this hairdryer, and it's unbelievable. As you can see from my hair never really goes as straight with just a hairdryer. Usually I need a straightener, but this hairdryer has just really impressed me. So onto the hairdryer. So this is her in all of our beauty, the Former Well X Kendall Jenner hairdryer. As you can see, it has gorgeous rose gold detail and it is so lightweight. It literally feels like there's no weight in it at all, which I love, because normally it takes so long to dry my hair. I'd say roughly about half an hour to 40 minutes. And this time, the time was cut down to about 15 to 20 minutes, which is good going for my hair. It's so thick and long, but my arms did not dry in once with the lightness of this bad boy. So if you want to see how I create this look so quickly and so easily, just keep watching.
They give you everything and more, so I take a little piece and then the rest of it is yours, me and more. Fuck loving when I put you in your place. I can tell you love it just by looking in your face. It's the way that you wind up the waist and so in more, girl, you never have to worry about nothing. You know it's yours, you know you're owning. Girl, you just own it, cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it, and go ahead, you can fling it higher. Girl, I love how you hold it. I put my hand there, hold it. I'ma be right by her. I'ma be right by her. I'ma be right by her. I'ma be right by her.
Lights down for the one I love right now. You never look better. Forget our friends, girl, I love it when we feel together. Ain't nobody gonna feel what we feel together. She wanna kiss high, I want another one. You got a 6'5", I want it one-on-one. Up to now, nobody knew where I was coming from, but we got the same mind, so I don't wanna waste time. Bring it to me, my mind, that's what I need. That's right, kissing me cheek one time. I used to love being alone, but now I can't stand it. Reaching on my phone for you to put your hand good.
So that is the end of the IGTV. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's something different, but everybody always asks me about my hair, and after using this bad boy, I couldn't not record a little story on it. So thank you so much to Cosmetica Lines and R&PR for my beautiful Former Well X Kendall Jenner hairdryer. I love it, and you need this in your life.